As you can see, I already pulled the front bumper off this Toyota pickup truck. This is a standard cab 2002 Toyota pickup 4x2. But most of these bumpers on these Toyota trucks are the same for those years. Especially like 01 to 04, it's going to be the same. I didn't feel like doing a whole video on it, but I figured while I have it apart, I'll at least show where the clips and nuts are. So if you need to take it off, you can pop it off. I pulled the corner lights out and the grill out first before I did this because I'm replacing them. So I know there's videos on how to do that. So if you need that, I suggest just searching YouTube for those. And as you can see, that's how the bumper sits on there. And it's basically held in by 6 nuts with studs attached to the bumper. And 2 of them are right here on this bracket right here. And then 1 is right there. And then if I show you where the studs are, there's one of the studs that goes right there. And then the two studs are right there. And it's the same exact thing on the other side of the vehicle. You got the 2 holes right there and 1 right there. And then all the studs are the same. And then in order to get it off, you have to pull, there's 1 clip on each side that goes into this bracket right here. So you just have to pop those clips out. 1 there and 1 there. And then don't forget, you got to twist out your bulbs, 1 on each side, the bulbs that go into those lights. So you just twist and pop those 2 bulbs out for there, and then your whole bumper will just come right off. And yeah, it's just these nuts, just like that. And you're gonna need, those are 12 millimeter, and you're gonna need a 12 deep to get over these studs. So I recommend using a 12 deep. And to get everything off, all you have to do is just lay down. You don't even have to jack the vehicle up. Just lay down, reach up under there with a ratchet and a socket, and pop them off. Alright, now that I got the bumper back on, I guess I'll show you from the light right here that you have to unplug. There's your 2 nuts that you need to take off these studs. And then the other one is hidden behind this plastic. There's a little access hole right here where my finger is, and the stud and the nut are right in there. As you can see, that was the old bumper and grill. That's why I ended up replacing it, and I replaced the 2 plastic pieces that attach to the metal bumper. And if you're looking to buy a new front bumper for your truck, just know that Toyota consider these 3 pieces to be separate. So you can't just buy one, or in most cases you can't just buy 1 complete assembly for the front bumper. You got to buy the top plastic piece, you got to buy this middle metal piece, and you got to buy the plastic piece on the bottom. And they're just clipped and screwed together. So what you do when you take the old one off, take all the clips and screws from the old one, transfer it to the new one, and put the 3 pieces together, and then you can put the bumper on. And there you can see, there's the brand new bumper and grill. I went with the chrome bumper. And there's the final reveal. Definitely a DIY project, and definitely if that's something you're interested in, replacing the bumper, it's not too hard. 6 nuts and 2 clips and you're good to go. And in any event, hey, the video helped you out or you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.